Welcome back to Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make appe, which is very easily made by idli or dosha batter. So let's see the ingredients and start making the appes. So ingredients for the appe are as follows. We have taken 1 cup of idli rice or white rice. White rice 1 cup we have taken, 1/3 of urad dal we have taken, and the ratio is 1 is to 3. So, and we have taken some fenugreek seeds and a piece of ginger and some salt. And for making appe, we need oil, and we have taken water for soaking the rice, urad dal, and fenugreek seeds with the piece of ginger for at least 6 hours. Then we will grind this 4 ingredients in the mixer grinder and we'll let it ferment for at least 5 to 6 hours. Then we'll add the salt to it and mix the batter nicely, and then we'll start making the appes. We can have appes with the coconut chutney. The recipe for the coconut chutney, the link has been given in the description box and in the comment box. Check it out. So after 5 to 6 hours of fermentation, our batter looks like this. The appe batter is ready. You can make even idli and dosha with this batter. And if you want, you can add some vegetables for the stuffed appes. But I will not be adding vegetables. So this is how our batter looks. I'll show you the consistency of it. So you can see it's a bit thick. It's just like the idli dosha batter. With this, I'll be using oil for making the appes, but we'll not mix in the batter. It's for the pan, the appe pan which you get with holes in that. It's provided from before. We'll put some oil and start making the appes. As I told you before, you can add some spices and vegetables if you like the stuffed appes, or else this can be eaten as breakfast or even evening snacks. So let's start making this healthy appes on pan. This is the pan for making the appes. We have put oil. You can see 1 teaspoon each in each hole, and we'll keep it for heating, and after heating we'll pour the appe batter. Now let's start pouring the appe batter. You have to see, we just have to put, you can use smaller spoon also. We'll just pour the batter in each hole and let's wait till it cooks. It's a very easy recipe. You all should try at home. You can make it as a breakfast, you can make it as a snack. You can add some vegetables also in it. It looks more colorful. So we'll just wait till it cooks. After 1 or 2 minutes, we'll just flip it to cook it, and occasionally we'll flip it. We have to cook the appe properly, that's why. You can see, we'll just flip it slowly with a stick or so. You can do it. You can see one side is cooked, so we are cooking the other side too. It should be golden brown a bit. So this is the process to make appes. After cooking both sides, we can take it out in a plate and make sure that enough oil is there to cook the appes. You can use a small spoon also in place of this stick. Cook it properly. We have kept in medium flame, because if we keep in high flame, from inside it will not be cooked properly. That's why we have to cook it in medium flame and ensure that there is enough oil to cook it properly, and flip it occasionally and cook all the sides. So this was a recipe which you can all try at home with very less ingredients. You can have it as a breakfast also, as I told you before. looks like this. You can see from both the sides it's now golden brown. You have to ensure that this color comes. If you have any doubts, you can just check it with a toothpick whether it's cooked well or not. You can check with a toothpick or a knife. So this was appe. Now we'll just take it out in a serving bowl, and you can serve it with hot with some coconut chutneys. Link has been given in the description. Check it out. For such recipes, subscribe to Cook with Appu, and there must be a bell icon. Press that for getting the notifications for the new videos. You can serve it with a red chutney also. I'll tell you, just take one tomato, one green chili, and grind it in the mixture, and then you can add some salt and have it with the paste. Do not forget to subscribe to Cook with Appu and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. And please like, share, and comment. Take care. See you in the next recipe.